Welcome to BuySpares. In this video we will show you how to replace the dispenser on a Hotpoint washing machine. Before fitting any electrical equipment, you must ensure that the appliance is first disconnected from the mains. If you cannot open the dispenser, or if it is cracked and leaking, you will need to replace it. This drawer is a hinge type, so will open slightly differently. Open the drawer from the right hand side until it locks, and now gently push the drawer up from underneath to release the locking catch, and slide the dispenser towards you to release it. Take the blue siphon from the old drawer and transfer it into the new one, and clip it in. Slide it back onto the front part of the dispenser and push it in until you hear a click that indicates it's in the correct position, and close the drawer. And there we have it, one dispenser replaced on this Hotpoint washing machine. For all the spares you need, visit the BuySpares website.